So we're going to multiply these decimal numbers. The best way to do this is to just ignore all the decimal points and all the decimal places until the very end. So basically we're going to rename these questions and reformat it so we can actually solve it. So instead of 2.91, let's just write 291, and we're going to multiply by 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 9, okay, that's 36. So the 6 goes here and the 3 gets carried to the next place value. 4 times 2 is 8, plus that 3, that's 11. So these are all the digits I need for the answer. And now I look at the original question and I count how many decimal places there were. Well, there's none there, but there's 1 there, and there's 1 there, so that's 2. So I just go, that's 1, that's 2, so the decimal point goes there. This is the final answer, 11.64. Do the same over here. So instead of 0.54, I just go 54 multiplied by, not 9.2, 92. So forget about the decimal points until the very end. So let's go through this. So it is going to be 2 times 4, well that's 8, and 2 times 5, that's 10. Okay, I'm now finished with that 2, so that becomes 0. So that becomes 0. 9 times 4 is 36, so the 6 goes here, and the 3 gets carried over to the next decimal place. And 9 times 5 is 45, plus 3 is 48. Okay, so now I add those two rows. 8 plus 0, okay, so that's 8. 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 0. I just have to count up the decimal places. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. So I do the same here. 1, 2, 3. Decimal point goes here. And that's that. Same for the last one. I go 965 times 34. And now 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24, 25, 26. 6 goes here, 2 gets carried over. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 2, 38. Okay, so finish with those guys. Finish with this guy, that's now 0, so I can put a 0 here. 3 times 5 is 15, so the 5 goes here, the 1 gets carried. 3 times 6, that's 18, plus 1 is 19. And 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1, 28. So I just now add up those rows, and 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 5 is 11, carry, and 9 plus 8 plus 1 is 18, carry again. 8 plus 3 plus 1 is 12, so 2 goes there, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is going to be, these are all the digits in the answer. Just count up the decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there have to be 4 in my answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where the decimal point goes. And that's the final answer.